Hi there, you guys. Welcome back. Today is Monday, October the 12th, and this is a short week since we do have parent-teacher conferences. But here's what we worked on today in case you were absent or not able to be in class in person today. Our IXL for this week is 00.1 and our two read theories as usual. On this IXL, since it is a little difficult, I am only asking you to reach a 50 SMART score and not an 80 for this one. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. We then moved into our interactive stations. These stations are going to be located directly on your Google Classroom. So let me open up a new tab here and I will kind of take you to it and walk you through what you need to be doing. So, let's see here. I am just going to use period 1 and 2 as our kind of example classroom. Okay, so we are going to go to the classwork tab and scroll all the way down, all the way until we see small group stations unit 5. We are going to click on that and we're going to get started. Let's check it out. So for unit 5 stations, for this activity, you'll be working in pairs to complete each task. These tasks must be completed in order and checked by the teacher when you believe that you have finished. Your responses will be recorded either on paper or on a Google form. This will depend on the station, but you will be given directions as to what needs accomplished along the way. So I understand that it's very difficult for you guys to do stations at home, especially when you don't have someone to work with and you're doing it alone. So I am only going to assign a few of these for you, not all of them by any means, okay? So station number 1 is analyze the text. This is going to be analyzing the text, The Invention of Everything, the story that we finished on Friday. You'll be answering questions number 1 and 3. And I do have on here that the questions are on page 505 of your textbook, but those can also be found when we go through the student edition online. So remember this right here. We're scrolling down to the making meaning. Okay, making meaning, and then going all the way down here to the analyze the text question. Okay, so you will be working on numbers 1 and number 3. Okay, so work on those to the best of your ability, and we will kind of go over those together when you get back. Okay. After completing station number 1, you cannot complete station number 2 because you are not in a group, you are at home. So you're off the hook on that one. You don't have to complete it. Neither do you have to complete station number 3. Station number 3 is a little bit more hands-on. For station number 4, you will be working on some portions of this one. So for station number 4, you're going to be taking some quick notes on figurative language. So I am going to attach everything that you need for this slide, and you should be able to see the slide on your computer at home. What you are going to do is take some quick notes on figurative language. Take some quick notes on figurative language. So you're going to click here for the presentation, and it'll take you directly to where you will take your notes. You're going to be taking your notes on figurative language, similes, metaphors, and personification. Okay, so what you are going to be completing for your foldable is you will be defining each word, but you don't have to write the entire definition. You only write what is in teal. Okay, so for simile, this is what you are writing. You are going to choose one of the examples to copy down for your notes. Do the same for metaphor, and so on and so forth. And I will attach the notes handout for you. You will have to do this, okay? You will have to take the notes for this class. You will then be creating an Instagram of your own choosing. I will attach that as well, but I'm not too certain how many of you have printers. So if you do not have a printer, that is okay. As long as you take down the notes, that's all that I really care about, okay? And then connotation, denotation, we cannot work on this without you here either. So that leaves us to our extra credit station. All right, so I will be having you guys complete D.2, and you have to get an 80 SMART score. So your two stations that you absolutely have to work on are IXL D2 and the Analyze the Text questions, okay? And both will be attached to your assignment. If you have any other questions for me, please don't hesitate to email me, or if you can't find anything that you need to find, please just let me know. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I hope that you guys are all feeling well, and we'll be back at school soon. See you then.